I do wonder, why wouldn't it be possible to have a technological input, unless it might be that, there's something about meditation. What's the first step in many meditations? It's, close your eyes. But then you have these other technologies like the Oculus, VR headsets.
Yeah.
And you don't get into this too much, but it was kind of written, I think, a little bit before the onslaught of AR and VR. But is there a place for it? I mean, can I imagine having a Muse headband with goggles, with ears, and then like tiny haptic electric shocks? If I stop thinking, we need some negative reinforcement too. It can't only be positive.
Right. I think I think technology absolutely plays a role, and we've as people can see from the Anderson Cooper video, there is we're already starting to move from fMRI to EEG neurofeedback, where we can get specific signal from deep in people's brains, which wasn't possible 10 years ago. And we're even moving from 128 leads down to 32 leads or so. So I think that technology is improving rapidly enough that we can see, we're going to see this thing happen, in the next couple of years. Mm. And we've done a bunch of studies specifically to map out these different brain regions and how they line up with meditation, all this. We published a bunch of papers on it. So the idea is, can we get a technology that really does line up with the elements of meditation? And also, importantly, I think feedback is only good if it can teach us something about ourselves, so we're not dependent on the technology. So I think technology is a great way to teach us something, but if we become dependent upon it, is that really that great of a thing?